What's up, YouTube? It's me again with yet another quick vacuum video. This is on a Hoover WindTunnel PAWS. So this is the pet version of the T series. I have owned this thing for a long time. I lent it to my parents for a while. They stopped using it in favor of a Kenmore Whisper Tone canister. So now it's mine, and I'm going through their house and slowly finding all the attachments. But I think this is going to be the only Hoover that I will keep. The modern Hoover. Because this is the last of the Hoovers, I think, that wasn't total crap. Although TTI Hoover really dropped the ball with their brush wheel bearings, because this thing, I mean, if you look, it's dirty just from sitting, and it's got some stuff in it, but I mean, it's really, this is a low hours machine, and the brush wheel bearings are still quite bad. So without further ado, so yeah, that's the major downfall of these, is the brush wheels. But if you can put up with the noise, they're not bad cleaners. And the cord rewind is not a terrible design. So anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one.